You realize after creating this table that you actually want to add an additional column. Columns go up and down. You can right click and choose insert, and you can choose column left or right, because I actually wanted to put the class name here. To resize these, you can either double click or you can manually drag and drop. And maybe I also want to insert another column. Right click, insert, column right, and maybe I want to put the due date in this one. And like I said, you can drag between these items here. Next thing I want you guys to do is set a preset style. So pick one of these that you think works. Then I want you to go in and modify the style to modify the header row. So I'm going to right click on the style, modify table style, and I just want to apply this to the header row. And I want to choose a different font, something that stands out. I want to choose a larger font size, even larger. And I want to position them bottom center. Oh, too large, so I'm going to go back and modify that until I get the size how I want it to look. The next thing we want to do is save it to our QuickParts gallery. The QuickParts gallery has all kinds of preset items. So if you look at the building blocks organizer, you'll notice that they've got cover pages, they have preset equations, footers, headers, they have pre-created page numbers, and on and on. So what we want to do is click the crosshairs of our table to select it. Then you're going to go up to the Insert tab, Text Group, QuickParts button, and we want to choose Save Selection to QuickParts Gallery. We're going to call this our homework table. You can choose where you want to save it, so it's not an auto text, a bibliography, a cover page, or any of those other things. So I'm going to leave it under QuickParts. You can even choose a category and create new categories as you start to add more and more things. And I'm just going to put this as a homework table. And you can choose where to save it. We're going to save it in our building blocks organizer. And you can tell it how you want it to be inserted. So I'm going to say insert content only. And now my QuickPart has been added. So you can go back later and reinsert this. So if you were on a new document, you would just quickly go to QuickParts, and there it is. And when I click on it, voila, it inserts it. And the QuickParts works for other features as well. So in this lesson, you should be able to create a table by going to Insert Table. You should be able to apply a preset style by going to Design, Table Styles. You should be able to modify the header row and the table style by right-clicking on it and choosing Modify Table Style and choosing Header Row. And you should be able to select your entire table by clicking the crosshairs and adding it to your QuickParts gallery by going to Insert, QuickParts, Save Selection to Gallery.